The Apple Blossom Festival features 45 different events and is worth the drive, so visit thebloom.com to stay and play. And one of our hottest events is the Sheetz Thursday Night Disco Fever Dance Party.
It's the place we'll be staying alive this spring. The Disco Inferno is like none other. And of course, you can do the hustle to the music of the Right On Band. Disco attire is actually encouraged and possibly even rewarded. So break out the bell-bottoms, the boogie shoes, and your festive have a nice day spirit because the 70s return to Winchester. This disco party features the Right On Band playing the best of the 70s music. This band has even played for the presidential inaugural ball. The Sheetz Thursday Night Fever Disco Dance Party is the place you want to be, so join us at the Sprint Tent. From fall's harvest to Thanksgiving dinner, everyone loves warm, delicious apple pie. Make sure to come to the annual Apple Pie Baking Contest located at Marker Miller Orchard. Come and try a few pieces, if you can just have a few, of homemade pie, just like Grandma used to make it. This event is open and free to the public.
Friday's festivities continue with a fire truck rodeo where local firefighters entertain the crowd by demonstrating the professional skills that make them everyday heroes. It is also a great time to thank our area firefighters for their service.
On Friday morning, wait for a late breakfast and head on over to the Apple Blossom Prayer Brunch presented by Now's Foods. It's a great opportunity to share a special morning meal with neighbors, family, and friends, and to hear a great uplifting spiritual message by a nationally known speaker sponsored by Chick-fil-A. Gentlemen, we've got events just for you. The fun continues with the BB&T Men's Commonwealth Luncheon located at Piccadilly Public House in Old Town Winchester. You'll want to don a jacket and tie. Pink or green is always the preferred choice because proper attire is required for this traditional gentleman's luncheon. This luncheon, it's a great opportunity to reconnect and renew friendships as well as network with some of Winchester's business leaders.
Don't worry, ladies, we've got events just for you too. Grab your girlfriends for the Walmart Bloomers Luncheon held at the Sprint Tent. This year features a number of positive changes, including a Panera Bread lunch, complimentary beverages, plenty of great door prizes, and a whole new entertainment experience by the very popular dance band Sold Out. If this doesn't get the ladies moving, then possibly the Handyman Connection dancers will. This is always a festive event with some of the Shenandoah Apple Blossom Festival's biggest celebrities, who receive a warm welcome from over 1,200 women who will be treated to a live band, dancing, and door prizes, all located at the Sprint Tent.
Not to be left out of the fun, the men celebrate and socialize over at the Stag Luncheon. This year's event features a Best Buy Man Cave makeover featuring a widescreen TV and surround sound for someone's man cave. In addition to some great food, the Buffalo Wild Wings eating contest will be hot fun for the contestants. Attendees always get a chance to meet honored sports celebrities, special guests like the International Bikini Team, and take part in a cornhole tournament. You get all this while listening to great music. This year's event will prove to make someone very happy.
One classic tradition that is always a fine and fashionable affair is the crowning of Queen Shenandoah, presented by Union First Market Bank. This majestic ceremony is modeled after the historic coronations of British monarchs. It is a reminder of Winchester, Virginia's connection to Great Britain's former capital and our town's namesake, Winchester, England, which hosted British coronations at one time. The crowning of the 86th Queen Shenandoah is an event you won't want to miss because following it is a grand performance of singing and dancing by high school students.
The annual Shenandoah Valley Orthodontics Kids Bloomin' Mile continues to be a family favorite. It's a 1-mile fun run around the campus of historic Hanley High School. This race is for children aged 6 through 14 with a variety of awards for different ages and categories, including a ride in the Grand Feature Parade for the winners. This event has been widely popular with over 1,200 young participants and family members lining the parade route, cheering the kids on. So encourage your kids to train and have fun.
The Alamo Drafthouse knows something about providing the best experience in viewing movies, so this year they wanted someone to have a great view of both Apple Blossom parades. The Alamo Drafthouse is providing one lucky winner a chance to win a VIP parade and fireworks party along the grandstand. So visit thebloom.com and click on the contest button. What a great chance to have a private party with family and friends in the Alamo Drafthouse VIP suite, so visit thebloom.com.
The highlight of Friday evening is one of the oldest events in the Apple Blossom Festival, the Firefighters Parade, led by the Home Instead Senior Care Pre-Parade. If you're searching for the largest firefighters parade in the United States, this is it. Over 75,000 spectators will be treated to a unique spectacle featuring a marvelous collection of fire engines that date back from the modern era back to some of the oldest fire trucks ever seen. Every youngster loves this parade, so visit thebloom.com and click on Stay and Play button and book your weekend trip today.
As the Firefighters Parade finishes, across town a celebration to honor the region's firefighters will be underway at the Skank Foods Firefighters Reception and Awards presentation. This event culminates the Firefighters Parade as the awards are presented. Guests include Queen Shenandoah and her court, as well as this year's Firefighters Marshal. The Firefighters Reception also features this year's Winchester Federal Credit Union Miss Honorary Fire and Rescue Chief contestants, along with an appearance of this year's Miss Apple Blossom, Victoria Maiden, who was selected in March at the Miss Apple Blossom pageant presented by Loudon Mutual Insurance.
This year, as a warm-up to the fireworks display, we fill the time between the end of the parade and the start of the fireworks with a free concert on the Hanley High School campus. Then, starting around 9:15 Friday night, we will again fascinate with our fireworks show presented by Rugs Direct, Jim Stutzman Chevrolet Cadillac, 92.5 Wink FM, and is the best display in the Valley. Come early, catch the tail end of the Firefighters Parade, then lay out your blankets, listen to the concert, and watch a 25-minute fireworks display which rivals anything else in the Valley.
After the fireworks, the Sprint 10 is the place to be for the newest and what will be the hottest event, the Jim Stutzman Chevrolet Cadillac 80s Dance Party. Headlining this event is the band Reagan Years, which are well known on the East Coast. As the primo 80s band, they will be performing their full repertoire of B-52s, Eddie Money, Michael Jackson, Cyndi Lauper, and more. This is the event where you may think you see ladies and guys dressed like Tina Turner, Madonna, Huey Lewis, Prince, and so many more that will make your head spin. So get on the internet and search out your best 80s outfit for the Jim Stutzman Chevrolet Cadillac 80s Dance Party.
Not feeling the 80s music? No worries, because also happening Friday night is the Union First Market Bank Queen's Ball, an elegant formal dance held at the Shenandoah University Brandt Student Center. This beautiful apple blossom tradition promises to be a magical and romantic evening. It includes an appearance by Queen Shenandoah, as well as surprise visits from other celebrities. The evening begins with cocktails and appetizers, and then everyone dances the night away to the exciting sounds of Trademark. So get your ticket to the Queen's Ball, presented by Loudon Mutual Insurance.
Stay tuned, we'll be right back.